Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching Digitwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show desktop icons only while using Stage Manager on Mac. So some people prefer having a clean desktop during normal use but still want their files or folder to appear whenever they switch to Stage Manager. macOS allows you to control these two situations separately. That's why you'll see two different options inside Show Items in Desktop and Stage Manager option. One control your regular desktop while other control what happens when you are using Stage Manager. So if you only want desktop items to appear while using Stage Manager, follow these steps. First, open System Settings and then go to Desktop and Top. And here under Show Item, leave the option in Stage Manager checked and make sure to uncheck the box previous to on desktop. And with this combination, your desktop will stay clean during normal use, and as soon as you turn on Stage Manager, your desktop files and folder will become visible again because the Stage Manager option are still enabled. So this gives you a cleaner workspace most of the time while letting you access your file or desktop items whenever you are working with Stage Manager. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.